Sending money from PayPal to Binance has become quite simple nowadays. Let me walk you through the process step by step. To begin, open your web browser and search for Binance. Once you've found the site, proceed to log into your Binance account by entering your email or phone number and clicking Next. After logging in, navigate to the Wallet section and select Fiat and Spot. Scroll down until you find the Bitcoin Deposit option. Choose the network type from which you want to send Bitcoin and copy the deposit address provided. Now, open a new tab and go to the PayPal website. Log into your PayPal account and click on Wallet. You'll notice that the options are limited to adding a new card or bank. To proceed with the withdrawal, open another tab and search for Skrill. Skrill is a third-party platform that allows you to transfer or send money. Sign up for a Skrill account and add your PayPal information. Once done, you can easily withdraw your money from PayPal through Skrill. This process provides a convenient way to transfer funds from PayPal to Binance.